West Virginia is an energy state, and we have been fueling our country forever.
The amount of investments coming to my state, and also the amount of jobs and opportunities, and these are quality jobs with benefits that people can live on and retire on, that means everything.
We all want to have clean energy. Having an all-of-the-above approach to energy is vital for our state as well as for our country.
Demand for electric power is soaring in a way that we had not anticipated. Last year, 78% of all of the new electricity added to our national grid came from clean technology.
A huge amount of optimism for what is happening here in West Virginia. So we have, the company has about 850 employees right now. About 100 of those are residents of West Virginia.
Our industry needs to hire about 500,000 people in the next decade.
We're bringing in so many jobs, and having old facilities that are being renewed and used is a game changer for many of these towns that have suffered.
Now we're getting in solar jobs, we're getting in wind jobs, we're getting in microchips, we're getting in all of the things. Battery storage, all of this is coming to West Virginia now like never before. We had $8 billion of new investments.
Clean energy is the catalyst that's bringing 200 jobs to that community. Before we've even built our facility, we are coming up to $1 million that we've invested in Jackson County.
I've never been to another state that works so closely together across government and industry to try to get to great outcomes.
Being here and seeing what's possible when folks really work together and focus on the future is very encouraging, something that many states could follow the example of West Virginia, and we're just proud to be demonstrating what's possible with our friends and neighbors here in West Virginia.